Good evening, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Are you? Okay, very good. I am so happy to get your answers. Today, we are going to study something special that is none other than value education. Okay, you know what you mean by value. Value means the code of life or code of behavior. In the society where we live, we have got a value system. As students, as elders, as parents, as teachers, we are obliged to follow this value in our life. So, as part of that system, here I am to teach you some value education. Okay, do you want to study some values in your life? Okay, if you don't mind, can you just say some values that you find in your day-to-day life? Okay, okay, very good. Your answers are so correct. Okay, so those values we are going to study a special value today. The name of the value is sharing. Okay, I hope you know what you mean by sharing. Okay, to have a virtual life, we need this sharing, and to have a joyful life, we should have this sharing. Okay, so this value of sharing is connected with love. I hope you understood. This value of sharing is connected with the value of love. Okay, so the value of sharing teaches us to share our goods, our qualities, our good things with others. Okay, so this sharing teaches us to share whatever things we have with others. I hope you understood it. Okay, share with others. Okay, that is the main theme that we are going to deal with. Okay, so if you say a example or if you say a definition, I would say that sharing means the process of dividing the things that we have with others. Okay, the process of dividing things that we have with others. Okay, that is the definition of sharing. Okay, I hope you understood it. What do you mean by sharing? Okay, so through this sharing, we can develop many qualities in our day-to-day life. Okay, so this sharing helps us to have love and care with the others. Okay, at the same time, to have a joyful life. To have happiness in life, this sharing plays an important place. So, in order to have happiness in our life, in order to have love in our life, we should have this attitude of sharing. I hope you understood the background of our class. So, as you know, we are in the value education class and we are studying about sharing. Okay, so now we will go directly to the passage. Okay, so what I am going to do today is that I am giving you some input regarding this sharing. Okay, for example, in a class, you imagine in your class there is a poor boy. Okay, he comes to your class with a dirty dress And in the afternoon, when you usually have your lunch time, he opened his tiffin box, but unfortunately, he could not find any good food there. And you people came to know that he is not having anything good to eat. So, what will you do? Can you tell me what you can do to that particular person? Okay, just imagine you are in the class, he is your friend and he is not having sufficient food, and he came with a empty tiffin box where there can be some bread or something. And what will you do in that situation? Very good answer. You can share. You can share. You can share something that you have. Okay. If you have some good rice, if you have some non-veg, if you have some fish, you can tell him that, hey, come here. We can have it together. We can have the food together. So if you tell that one, if you can express that idea to him, there lies our point of sharing. Okay, I hope you understood it. To this example, I was trying to tell you that in the class, in the life, as students, we should have an activity of sharing. Okay. Now, I am asking you some questions regarding this one. Okay. So, please tell me that this attitude of sharing will help us in how many ways? Okay. If you have this attitude of sharing, how does it help us? How does it help us? Can you just tell me some of your observation that how can this sharing will help us? Okay, very good answers that you are giving. This attitude of sharing can help us to have positive attitude towards others. Okay. Positive life situation towards others. Okay. This attitude of sharing will help us to have this positive attitude towards others. At the same time, this attitude of sharing will help us to give others what we have. Okay, to give others what we have. I hope you understood it. How this sharing can help us to give others what we have. Okay, I hope you understood it. This the attitude of sharing, in how many ways it can help us. Are you following me? Very good answers. Okay, you are following me. See, now what we are going to do is that I will give you one activity. Okay, we can take anything in the world that can be said as a good example of sharing. Okay, can you tell me some example? If you look at that example, we know that is the best example of sharing. Can you tell me some example? Can anyone say? Okay, very good. That is sun. Okay, sun is the best example of sharing. Okay, what does sun do? It gives brightness, it gives light to others. That is a good example of sharing. Okay, so sharing is a good quality that we can practice in our day-to-day life. Okay, so what told the things that we can share with others. Can you just tell me some things? Okay, very good. We can share love, yeah, things. Okay, we can share work, yeah, things. We can share knowledge. Any other things? We can share food. Any other things? Okay, we can share things we have. Okay, very good answers you are giving. Okay, so all these things can be shared in our day-to-day life. Okay, I hope you understood it. What are the things we can share? See, if you take the example of the sun, it shares what it is having. It shares its brightness. It shares its fragrance. Everything. The brightness is being shared by the sun. The same way, we can also share whatever things we have. I have told you some example. See, you have told me we can share love, we can share work, we can share our knowledge, we can share our food, we can share the things we have. Okay, I hope you understood it by the example of sharing. Okay, so as we are progressing and just recollecting the passage once again, we are in the value education class, we are in the sharing section. I am telling you that as students how the sharing will help us, how we should share the things with others, all the things that I am just telling you openly, and you have told me that, see, we have to share what are the things. We have to share our love, we have to share our food, we have to share our knowledge, we have to share whatever things we have, all the things can be shared by us. Okay, now I am just giving you another example of what is it? Can you just tell me? It can be said as a pyramid. Okay, which comes low to the upside. Okay, that's a pyramid. Okay, so if we take this example of sharing, how it can be connected to the pyramid, I will tell you one example. Okay, we have to share to whom? That's our question. We have to share to whom? That is our question. We have to share to whom? In our society, we know that we should share many things to others. But the question arises that to whom? Who is the privileged one to whom we should share the things? Okay, so we cannot give things to everyone, to whomever we see. Okay, come here, I'll give you something, go there, I'll give you something. We cannot have that attitude. Okay, we should share the things with the needy, the people who are in need. I hope you get me. Okay, in that situation, I am asking you to whom we can share the things. Okay, very good answer. One answer is blind. Okay, people who can't see. Okay, if you see a blind man in the road, you can share or help with him to cross the road. Very good answer. So to blind we can share many things. Or to whom? Any other people? Okay, very good answer you are giving. To poor and needy. Okay, we can see people, poor people and needy people in our day-to-day life. Or to poor and needy we can share our things. Okay, then any other thing? With orphans. to orphans, we can share our things. Okay, and any other things, very good, with parents. Okay, with parents also, we can share our things. Okay, I hope you understood it. Any other things? Okay, very good. With friends. Okay. With the friends also, we can share our things. Okay, I hope you understood it. The value of sharing to be given with how many people? What kind of people? I have told you, with blind we can share the things. With poor and needy, the poor people, they are in need of our help. Okay, if you find a poor person in your nearby house place or near to your house, you have definitely help him. You have tell your parents, you have tell your mom, you have tell your dad that I need to help him. I need to show my helpful hands to him. Okay, in that way you have to help this poor and needy. Needy means, see, there will be needful persons in our day-to-day life. There will be people who are in need. Okay, you can see many people, they may not be poor in their appearance, but they are in need. They are in need of many other things. Okay, they are in need of money, they are in need of love, they are in need of care, they are in need of consoling words, all these things they are in need. Okay, I hope you understood it. They are in need of many things. And the same time, orphans. Okay, you know who all are the orphans. Okay, orphans means people those who are not having parents. Parents, they have parents, sometimes they left the people, just child, and naturally they become orphans. They are in orphanage. Okay, and the same day orphans means the same way the old age people also can be said as orphans. Okay, so these orphans, they are in need of our help. I hope you understood it, how these orphans need our help. Then another thing is our parents. Most important, I would say, because they are really in need of our help. Okay, see, when we are born and brought up and we are growing up only because of the help of our parents. So in the same way, as students, we should share many things with your parents. Okay, I hope you understood it. We have to share many things with our parents. Okay, they are in need of our shareful hands. Okay, so are you ready to share your things with your parents? Okay, very good. Then friends. Okay, as friends, you can do it. You can share things. Okay, so hereby I conclude the class. So I am just reminding you, the class which we are doing right now is all about value education, in which we are studying about sharing. Okay, that's the best and the good quality as students you can have it. Okay, it is the process of distributing whatever things we have with others. Okay, I have told you that whatever things you can share. You can share love, you can share your knowledge, you can share your good ideas, everything you can share. Okay, and to who are the people who are in need of your sharing? The blind, poor, orphanage, parents, friends, they all can be in need of to get your sharing. Okay, I hope you understood today's chapter. So I wish you to have more and more the quality of sharing, so that you can be a good citizen, a good student in your future life. So may the God Almighty bless you to have this attitude of sharing, and may you grow more and more in this virtue, in this value of sharing. Okay, are you share your things with others? Okay, very good. So keep it up. Have this good attitude of sharing. I wish you all the best. Have a good day. Thank you so much.